This is الدرس الخامس عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط. We are in lesson 15 of the connectors. And this is a review lesson, so you're going to use connectors from lessons 11 through 14 in this review lesson. So please go back and look at each of those lessons, previous lessons, so that you get a handle on the connectors, and then you're going to use them. Probably it's a good idea to create a list, one list of all of the connectors from lessons 11 through 14 and put it in front of you so that you can look at the list while you are trying to complete these exercises and drills. What I'm going to do here is help you with the vocabulary, and then you're going to put in the correct connector from lessons 11 through 14. So we have in number 1 here, لم أذهب إلى الحفلة أمس blank المطر. I didn't go to the party yesterday blank the rain. Number 2, ذهبت إلى المكتبة. I went to the library blank قضيت ساعتين في القراءة. I went to the library blank I spent 2 hours in reading. 3, لقد ساءت صحتها blank فقد قررت دخول المستشفى. Her health had declined blank, she had decided to enter the hospital. Number 4, 4 تعطل المرور blank انقلاب سيارة في الطريق الرئيسي. So the way was blocked blank an overturned car on the main road. 5 كانت تعمل معه blank أصبحت تعرف عنه كل شيء. She used to work with him blank she became aware of everything. 6 كان يحب الرحلات blank فقد أنفق كل نقوده عليها. He used to love traveling, and so he spent all of his money on it. 7 لقد تفوقت في دراستها وذلك blank تشجيعهم لها. She did outstanding in her studies, and that blank their encouragement for her. 8 لا أود مقابلته blank لا أحبه. I don't desire to meet him blank I don't love him or I don't like him. 9 حضروا إلى مصر blank يدرسوا اللغة المصرية. They came to Egypt blank study the Egyptian language. 10 قدمت له نصيحتي blank يضيع وقته. I put forward my advice blank he is wasting his time. 11 لم أنم جيدا ليلة أمس. I didn't sleep well last night blank الضوضاء في الشارع the noise in the street. 12 كانت تحب صديقتها blank فقد قررت الإقامة معها. She used to love her friend, her female friend blank she decided to reside with her. So that should help you to provide the context for the connectors that you will use in each of these sentences. مع السلامة.